the best WordPress SEO plugin, and it's a Yoast SEO alternative. Hey, it's Oz here, continuing with the WordPress speed optimization series. Make sure you check out all the videos in this playlist because each one is a tip to help you optimize your WordPress website. And when it comes to optimizing WordPress, what better than a WordPress SEO plugin? Or so you'd think, right? Well, many years ago when I first started using WordPress, I began using an SEO plugin called All-in-One SEO, and it was great. Then I discovered Yoast SEO back when that used to be a small plugin, and I started using that. Over time, Yoast SEO became a rather large plugin. They just kept on adding functionality and features, and unfortunately that meant a very large footprint. So I fell out with SEO plugins, and I haven't used an SEO plugin for many years. I do optimize my content, and I did spend many years doing search engine optimization for clients. So I had the luxury of not having to rely on SEO plugins. I understand, of course, it's not the same for everybody, and some people need a WordPress SEO plugin to help them optimize their content. Now, for me, that all changed recently when I came across a WordPress SEO plugin that really caught my eye, and I couldn't help it. I had to download it and try it, and I have to say, I was blown away. So once again, I am using an SEO plugin. It does make things a little easier, even if you know what you're doing, but I do think it's rather nice. Now, the plugin I'm referring to, in my opinion, is the best WordPress SEO plugin. It's lightweight, it's extremely well coded, and I just love the features. The plugin is called Rank Math, and this is what it looks like on the WordPress dashboard. You can see that it has many sections, its own dashboard, general settings, titles and meta, sitemap settings, role manager, 404 monitor, redirections, search console, SEO analysis, status and tools, import and export, which is always a great feature if you're going to be working with more than one site, and help and support. Now on the dashboard you can see the modules, and you can see some of the ones that I have active. That includes the 404 monitor, AMP, which stands for Accelerated Mobile Pages, the link counter, redirections, rich snippets, search console, SEO analysis, and sitemap. You'll notice that there is a WooCommerce module, and that is to help you optimize WooCommerce product pages. And there's also a local SEO and Google Knowledge Graph, and that's to help you dominate the local search results. You have a setup wizard, which is comprised of 5 steps, which includes setting up your website, connecting your search console account, setting up your sitemaps, and taking care of your optimization. Under general settings, you can see just how much control this plugin gives you over the optimization of your WordPress website. You have a ton of features to control links, including automatically no following external links, which I used to have to do manually. So this alone is a great time-saving feature, and there's a ton of features just like this in this SEO plugin. You have an images section, which includes automatically adding missing alt text to images. Another great time-saving feature if you have a ton of images on your site and some of them don't have that alt text. Now these features, by the way, can be turned on and off. So if you don't want a particular feature, you can just turn it off. But if you're just installing this SEO plugin and you already have existing images with missing alt text, just toggling that feature on will take care of that problem and save you a ton of time. You have breadcrumbs, webmaster tools, you can edit your robots text file, as well as your .htaccess file. You have a 404 monitor, which is super handy, and it means you don't have to use a separate plugin to take care of that. And you also have a redirection section. If you change the permalink or the URL structure of one of your pages, you can set up a redirect within the plugin, again without having to use a different redirection plugin. The features go on, as you can see down this sidebar, and 2 things that I find really impressive is the fact that the plugin is rather lightweight compared to other huge SEO plugins, and secondly is the fact that the plugin has remained true to what it's supposed to do. It's an SEO plugin and it deals only with that. When it comes to using the plugin, you get to do that at the bottom of your posts and your pages, and this is what it looks like. You have a general tab where you can edit your snippet, and you can set a focus keyword to get an instant SEO score based on the plugin's algorithm, of course, as it measures your content. You have an advanced tab where you can set up the indexability of your page and images, and you have a rich snippet which takes care of structured data. And this is another great thing that I love about this SEO plugin, because I used to have to use a separate plugin just to deal with structured data. In fact, this SEO plugin has enabled me to get rid of at least 3 or 4 plugins, which of course results in a lighter website. But it gets better than this. Wait till you hear what I have to tell you at the end. Okay, so as I was saying, this is the rich snippet. You'll see that I've selected article for my rich snippet type, and further down here I've selected blog post as the article type. And then you have a social tab where you can add individual images for Facebook and Twitter, as well as an individual title and description. You may sometimes want a different description and title for your social posts than you do for your blog posts. Finally, you can see if we toggle to Twitter that you can actually set up the card type too. So Rank Math, to my mind, is the best WordPress SEO plugin today. And here's the thing I've been dying to tell you throughout this video. This SEO plugin is free. It's absolutely brilliant. It's really nice to use. It looks great. It has an amazing set of features, and it doesn't cost a penny. And if you're already using Yoast or another popular plugin, then you'll be happy to hear that you can import your data into Rank Math. It really doesn't get better than this. So check out this fantastic SEO plugin, and then let's continue to optimize your WordPress website. You can do that by clicking the video that's now on your screen. Click it and I'll see you there.